Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks on parenting and child development. Today, we'll be talking about how to encourage babies to sit up by themselves. As parents, it's exciting to see our babies grow and hit new milestones. Sitting up independently is a significant milestone in your baby's development, and it's a sign that they are building strength and coordination. Here are some tips to help encourage your baby to sit up by themselves. Tummy time. Tummy time is an essential exercise for babies. It helps to develop the muscles in their neck, back, and shoulders, which are essential for sitting up. Place your baby on their tummy for a few minutes every day, and gradually increase the time as they get used to it. You can also place toys or mirrors in front of them to keep them engaged. Support. Providing support to your baby while they're learning to sit up is crucial. You can use pillows or cushions to prop them up, but make sure they don't slide or fall over. You can also sit behind them with your legs spread out and place your baby in front of you, leaning against your legs for support. Playtime. Playtime is an excellent opportunity to encourage your baby to sit up. Place toys or objects just out of their reach and encourage them to reach for it. As they try to reach the toy, they will engage their core muscles and eventually learn to sit up. Patience. Remember that every baby is different, and they develop at their own pace. Don't rush your baby or force them into a sitting position. Give them time and space to explore and develop their motor skills naturally. Encouraging your baby to sit up by themselves is an exciting milestone, but it takes time and patience. Use tummy time, provide support, engage in playtime, and be patient with your baby. If you have any concerns or questions, consult with your pediatrician. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.